Less than think greater than. Okay. The user said, hello, let me check the instructions again. The user might be testing if I'm responsive, since there's no specific request to scrape a web page or read images. I should just greet them back. No tools needed here. Keep it simple and friendly. Less than. Think greater than. Hello. How can I assist you today? Robot. Reasoning summary. I used the scrape tool to extract the article's content from the provided URL and then summarized the key points. The article. https www.ciangoadec.com/good-system-design/ https www.ciangoadec.com/good-system-design/ outlines principles for good system design. Emphasizing 1. Single responsibility principle *, each component should have one clear purpose. 2. Modularity * systems should be divided into independent, reusable modules. 3. Decoupling * minimize dependencies between components for flexibility. 4. Scalability * design for growth and adaptability. 5. Maintainability * prioritize readability and simplicity to ease future updates. 6. Feedback loops * use monitoring and testing to refine the system iteratively. These principles aim to create robust, efficient, and sustainable software systems. Less than think greater than. Less than. Think greater than. Reasoning summary. I used the read_image tool to analyze the provided image URL and describe its contents. The image shows a countertop with several medication bottles. Tylenol extra strength, Benadryl allergy, Prolosec OTC, and a cup of coffee. A partially visible newspaper titled The New York Times is also in the scene.